In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a coupon code to a Klaviyo email. For this, first of all, log into your Klaviyo account and head over to the campaign section from the left-hand side of your screen. Once you are here, click on the email message where you want to add your coupon code. After that, proceed with the initial steps to reach the editing section of your email campaign. If you are not fully familiar with how to create an email campaign, you can watch our complete video guide on that topic. Once you are inside the email editor, scroll down to the section where you want to place the coupon code. When you have identified the right spot, drag a text block from the left-hand side of your screen and drop it there. After that, click on the pencil icon beside the text block to edit it. Start by typing the text that lets users know about the coupon code. Once you've written the text, you can highlight it, increase the font size, and make it bold so that it stands out and is easy for your readers to notice. Next, you want to add the code snippet of your coupon code. To do this, head over to the coupon code section in your Klaviyo account. If you are not sure where to find it, it is located under the Content tab. I won't go into the full creation process in this video, but from here you can easily create a new coupon by clicking on Create Shopify Coupon at upper right-hand side of your screen and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once you have it ready, you will need to note down the exact name of that coupon code. Before that, you'll be able to see this code snippet on your screen, and you can pause the video to copy it, or you can also find it in the description below this video. Return to the email editor, copy the provided snippet, and paste it right after the text where you mentioned the coupon. In the snippet, you will see a name variable. Replace that variable with the exact name of the coupon code you created. This is the key step in linking your code properly. Once you do this, you should see a blue dotted line around your coupon code snippet, which means it has been added correctly. To confirm, click on Preview and Test at upper right-hand side of your screen, scroll down through your preview and look at the section where you placed the coupon code. If you see the word Preview inside the snippet, that means the coupon code is functioning correctly. Here, you will only see the placeholder text Preview. But once the email is sent to your subscribers, the real coupon code will appear there. This ensures your email subscribers will receive a valid, working coupon. This is the complete process of how you can add a coupon code to your Klaviyo email.